Hi, it's Amy again from Tire Supply Network, your favorite tire supply and equipment distributor. With advances in technology, Extra Seal has created two new TPMS sensors. First, the 1743041, which will replace these snap-in sensors, and second, the 1743042, which will replace these clamp-in sensors. Now, both of these sensors are multi-frequency, meaning that all you need to do is choose whether you want a snap-in sensor or a clamp-in sensor. So now you're probably wondering, why should I purchase these sensors from Tire Supply Network? Well, having just two sensors will cut down on your inventory. We offer very competitive pricing, and as an authorized distributor, we are here to offer our help and support. For your convenience, we also stock 4 types of replacement valve stems in rubber snap-in, metal clamp-in, matte black, and gloss black. So now you're probably wondering, how do I program these blank sensors? Well, we offer a bundle kit where if you purchase our Pro Plus programming tool, you will additionally receive 8 free sensors of your choice, an OBD2 connector, and free shipping. Please purchase your bundle kit or replenish your stock of sensors online today at tiresupply.network.com. We look forward to serving you.